gonna stay put. We'll see it when the water comes in, if you can stay there. It comes out. Is it hard?
Yes.
Okay, now if you alright?
Now what you would do is swim that way.
Swim parallel to the beach. Because if you fight that, you can't.
I want to get it. Yeah.
200-pound grown man, and I'm not going to try to fight it. No way. This is a riptide you don't see often. Actual depiction of what it looks like on the ground, shallow water. You can't see it when it's in the ocean because it's too deep, but it's all around you. You can't do anything. You float out with it. When this other wave comes in, we'll go that way if we can.
It's getting bigger.
We won't try to go to the beach yet because we can't do it. You can't even do it walking. You could, but it wouldn't tell you anything. Now while it's spilling back in, when it walks away from it,